Hey, I'm Aidan. It's our annual hackathon here at Teamwork. So a hackathon is a really important part of our company culture. For 48 hours, everybody gets to form teams and build something brand new that they feel is going to push the company forward. So we've had brilliant success with this over the years, everything from staff onboarding boxes to live video, chat apps, teamwork boards, teamwork automations, the list goes on and on and on. Some of the best product ideas have come out of hackathon.
We want a more fit-for-purpose timeline view focusing on ICP needs to achieve feature parity with key competitors, to reduce tech debt, leverage new more performant tech, and to enable a clearer path to improved cross-project task views.
The new timeline view accelerating time to value for our customers by reusing the workflow components featuring monthly and weekly views, infinite scrolling, and today button which will return you to the current date.
6 of us on the team. It was Emer and I from the product side, David from the design side, and then Pierre-Louis, TJ and Kimon were the devs involved. So it was a nice collaboration between the two teams. Myself and David would be more on the core side, and then the rest of the guys are on kind of the workload and reporting side. So it was just a really nice way to kind of mesh the two kind of product areas that we've been working in, and we were able to leverage an awful lot of the work that the guys had done on the workload planner to this point. So that was kind of one of the basis of what we wanted to do, is to reuse kind of work that people had previously done to accelerate and to build features that are going to keep our customers happy and make sure that we keep our customers. So that was it.